Hey guys, it's Alex from CodingTuts, and welcome back to the fourth part of the series called You Said I Coded, where we basically create a professional website together. And basically, the third part of the tutorial just went up. I just uploaded it, and now I'm uploading the fourth part without any suggestions because I finished recording. I edited it like in 5 minutes, and I uploaded it in 5 more minutes. And I thought, you know what? I know how to fix the problem that we had in the last tutorial. So basically right now what we have is this thing, which is, I guess, pretty good, but you can see how the moto isn't like exactly in the center, and I know how to fix that. It's actually really simple, and I can't believe that I didn't think of it. So let's get right into the tutorial. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is, oh my god, what happened here? So 0.4 is what we have now, as you can see. So okay, one thing about the parallax is when I use the scroll on my mouse, it doesn't look like really like laggy or whatever, but compared to when I use my trackpad, like oh my god, it's so different, and that's with every parallax effect that you see in the web. But I guess that it's how it is. So yeah, so what we're gonna be doing is basically, I want it, when we scroll down, I want this to be in the absolute middle, and that's what we're gonna fix. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a new variable, and we're gonna call it nav height, and then we're gonna, target the header nav, and then use the jQuery.height attribute, and let's just console.log nav height just to be sure. So nav height. I'm gonna refresh and I'm gonna inspect it, and let's go to the console. And yeah, you can see that we get 74 pixels of its height. I'm not gonna do 74 pixels because the nav height might change if I decide to change the padding or whatever. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna target the header darken, which is basically the parent of the Moto wrapper, which is basically this dark effect, dark filter, and we're gonna we're gonna change the CSS of it. So we're gonna say height. I'm sorry about that. Height, and then we're gonna take scroll header height minus nav height minus scroll top plus, and we're gonna add pixels just in case. Alright, now let's refresh and try it out. Refresh because my internet is really slow. So okay, I think this looks really good. It is a little laggy, as I said, when I use it with my mouse, or when I scroll with my mouse, but dude, look at when I use my trackpad. I mean, oh my god, this looks like so amazing. But yeah, so let me just explain what we did. So basically, we took all the heights, so basically the scroll top position, the header height, and the nav height, and basically we said that when we scroll, let's say we scroll 10 pixels down, we want to subtract the header height, 10, we want to subtract 10 pixels from the header height, and so it's going to be around here. But, okay, let me show you. So if I remove the nav height, if I remove the nav height, it's a little bit up and it's not in the absolute center, as you can see, because the nav height is 74 pixels. So that's why we subtract the nav height from everything as well, because there is a because the nav height, the nav is in the header, and we want the dark overlay to be exactly in the center. So when we refresh now, you can see that it's absolutely in the middle, and I think that this looks amazing. Like, oh my god. So yeah, there is a little downside to this, so I'm not really sure how to fix it, and it's not really noticeable, but okay, look at what happens. I mean, we give maybe if you just use the Photoshop filter on, just give the background filter of the photo with Photoshop, it might fix it. But look what happens. So we're scrolling down, absolutely no problem, smooth as hell. But once we start to scroll up, as you can see, when we scroll really fast, you can see how there's a slight delay, and you can see how it slightly moves up. Now that's not really a big problem considering that we can make another wrapper, but I just don't want to do that, to be honest, because it's gonna be like wrapper inside a wrapper inside a wrapper. Yeah, it's gonna be a headache for me to. It's gonna give me a headache. But yeah, so basically now we're done with our header. This is exactly the effect that I wanted to do in the last tutorial, and yeah, so we're not completely done with the tutorial since it's only 5 minutes. And right now, as I'm recording, I am about to leave for my cruise, so I won't have any internet for about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna schedule these uploads. So yeah, what we're gonna do is I want to change the background color of the body, because see, now when we scroll down you can't tell where the navigation ends. Now we can change the navigation color, but I don't want it because white and black is perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I actually have a website, an old website, so all aircrafts. I'm gonna open the CSS file and I'm gonna get the color of it. Okay, so I just wanted this color, so I'm gonna close this off. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the background color and refresh. Alright. You can't really see big of a difference between between white and like slight gray. But once you go down, you can see how it looks. It just looks amazing in my opinion. And let's just test the header. The side navigation. Yeah, I think it looks amazing to be honest. Oh my god, this effect is so cool. Like, it's so easy to do. Alright. So what we're going to be doing is we might actually start working on the mobile version of the website. Actually, I don't think we need to work on it because it looks pretty good, actually. You can't really see the ship or anything, but wait, let's try background position. I'm gonna go here. So okay, background position, center, center. Alright. Wait, hold on. Let me just refresh. Oh, I don't know why that happens. It's up here. But, oh wow, that's... Actually, just noticed it. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, because, alright. So this happens because... on load, it doesn't say subtract 74 pixels from, so basically it doesn't subtract the height from the header. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here in our CSS and we're gonna say height calc 100% minus. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that. Oh, center. Okay, actually, first let's try how it's gonna look on a mobile device. The page. Yeah, alright, this looks much better. Yeah, because we can see the ship and everything. So yeah, that looks amazing. Alright, so I know how to fix that, and it's pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and we're gonna create a body.unload. So body. Okay, so wait. Document not load, not body. Document dot ready function, and we are gonna copy this variable. Oh my god, hold on a second. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it in here, or we can make it global by putting it outside, but it doesn't really matter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna target header darken, CSS height, and then we're just gonna say okay, another variable called header darken height equals header darken dot height. Okay, and we're gonna say header darken height minus math height plus pixel. Oops. Okay, now let's refresh. Yeah, okay, now, wait. Yeah, okay, that looks amazing. That's exactly the effect that we wanted. And because you can see without this, let me just show you. Well, let me just delete the whole function. Without this, it goes up. And because it's taking 100% of this header, but it only wanted to take 100% of till here, so not till here. So I'm gonna undo that. And yeah, that's actually perfect. So, you know, it's really a short tutorial, and I think we can do something else. Let's say, so what are we gonna do? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create one section, and let's see. Okay, so basically, you know how when you're in a like a clothing store website, there are these little thumbnails of clothes, and when you hover over them, they zoom in and zoom out. That's what we're going to be doing. So that's what we're going to start, but we're not going to finish. So we're going to only create the wrapper and the elements, but we're not going to create the effects. So let's go down to slide menu. What is this? Oh yeah, that's the slide menu. Okay, so we're going to just say, is there a comment here? Because I want to put a comment saying header HTML. Now I want to say product HTML or whatever. So div ID, and I'm gonna give it a product section wrapper. Or do we need? Yeah, okay, I think we do. So product section wrapper. Now we're gonna go in our CSS and we're gonna add. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah, okay. Slide menu. I think I meant side menu. Yeah, slide menu anywhere, but okay, I'm gonna refresh this, whatever. Okay, so, what is it called? Product section, CSS. Do I do CSS? Yeah, I do. Product section, CSS. So, product section wrapper. And then we're gonna give this a position of relative, a width of 100%. Oh my god. And a height of auto. I'm gonna give it a background color of yellow just to test it out. Alright, it has a height of auto, and basically it means that, and since there is nothing inside of it, it won't show up. So let's add an H1 and say our products. P and then shop from a variety. Is that how you spell variety? I'm not really good at spelling variety. Variety, yeah, okay, good. Shop from a variety of our products. I think that's good. Okay, now let's refresh, and nothing for some reason. Product section. I thought I styled it. This is weird. Does the header have a position of relative? That's what I want to know. Header. Where's the header? It does. What? Margin top 1000 pixels. That's not 1000, but yeah, I'm gonna remove like, now it's 1000. Yeah, why? Like, oh my god. 0 pixels. What? Margin top. Oh my god, dude. Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. We said margin bottom 1000 pixels. That's why. Oops. Yeah, okay, that's good. we can still give it like a margin bottom of, actually we're gonna give this a margin, so margin 50 pixels row, like this. Okay, once again, look at how when I use my mouse scroll, it's like so laggy, and when I use my touchpad, it's like amazing. And even on the Twitter website, when it's saying, the cover photo, it's exactly the same. So, yeah, okay, whatever. Let's start styling this. So, I want to give these a class of. Actually, I want to wrap around and was it an article tag? Wait, let me just see this. Article HTML. Because these are new tags that I've actually really never used, so it's gonna be one of my. I think it's gonna be my first time to use them. Article, yeah. Oh, it's not supported in Internet Explorer 8. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna use a div. So div. Wait. What am I doing? Not here. Div ID product title section. Okay. And then I'm gonna indent these, close the div, and let's style that. So div, no wait, product title section, position, relative, width, height, margin 0, auto, text, align center, and then let's just say background color like red, just to see where it is positioned. Alright, display inline block. Oh my god, why? I said margin 0 auto. That's weird. Position relative. Yeah, okay. What if we do like height? I mean, I'm just gonna try something. We're not gonna leave it as a fixed value because we don't know how big our text is gonna be. Yeah, nope. Alright, our text line set. I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, I don't know why it does not work. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it as display block. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. I just wanted to try it, but for some reason it doesn't work. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna change this. I want to give it actually a margin of 0.30 pixels. So actually, when it's on a much smaller screen, it looks better. I mean, the text breaks like this. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we wanted. Alright, so right now it's perfectly normal, and I mean not normal, it's perfectly responsive. I want to give this like 15 pixels here maybe. Oh wait, you can't give it a margin, we can only give it a padding of top, so padding 15 pixels 0. And why do I keep on doing that? Like how? Yeah, okay, that looks good. I'm actually gonna change this to border top 1 pixel solid black and border bottom 1 pixel solid black. Alright, perfect. We're gonna be removing the border, but I'm just leaving it right now, so I kind of know where my section is positioned. I actually really love how big it is right now. Like, it's exactly how big I want it to be. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Now we're gonna be creating the. I don't know. I don't even know why we did product title section, because I thought I was gonna be like styling the text, but I guess I won't. I think it looks perfect. Yeah, it does. Our products shop from a variety of our products. And, let's do the section itself. So div id equals product section. And let's style this. So product section position relative width. I'm gonna say max width of, so let's say we're gonna have like, so this is the section that we're doing right now is gonna be containing the thumbnails themselves. So what we're gonna, like, let's see how big our thumbnails are gonna be. Let's say they're gonna be 250 pixels wide, or I don't know, is it like, wait, width 250 pixels, and then height like 200 pixels, background color yellow. Is this gonna be good enough for a thumbnail? Oh no. Okay, got no. 200 and then 250. No. Let's try 250, 250. And then maybe 300. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it 250. To be honest. Wait, that looks that doesn't really look good. Oh, I want to do 200 here. I'm not really sure. You know what? Man, this is like so weird. I can't decide what I want. Let's do 275. Yeah, okay, that looks perfect. So they're gonna be 250 pixels wide and 275 pixels tall. And so we're gonna have about 4 on each row, and we're gonna have like 3 columns or something, let's say. And so, how am I gonna do that? I mean, actually, how much should we put? So 4 times 250, that's 1,000, and that's a little bit too much. Let's try 3 times 250 pixels. 250 pixels. Alright. 750 pixels, and let's see. So there's gonna be 2 margins, and that are gonna be around 15 pixels. Yeah, okay, so plus 30 is 780 pixels. So we're gonna do a max width of 780 pixels, and then a height of auto, right? And then I wanna kind of put it in the margin, in the center, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Alright, let's try putting our thumbnails. So they're gonna be divs with a class of, I'm sure there'd be ULs. No, they're gonna be divs. So div class product. Yeah, okay. Div and number 1, and div class product. Number 2, div class product, and I'm only gonna do 3. Number 3. Alright, wait, what happened? I don't know what happened. Alright, let's try let's style them. So product is gonna have a max width of 250 pixels, and then a height of 275 pixels, and then I want to give it a background color of like green. Yeah, and then display inline block. Oh my god. Let's just try with. Yeah, okay. And actually it has to be 810, because I'm gonna have 15. So basically it's gonna be 15 pixels, 15 pixels, 15 pixels, 15 pixels. So it's gonna be 750 plus 60. So it's gonna be max width of 810 pixels. Yeah, alright, perfect. Alright, now we're gonna be using inline Flexbox to style them, to align them. So I'm not really good at Flexbox, as I said before. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna type Flexbox, and there's a really good tutorial right here on CSS tricks. Yeah, so let's check it out. Also, I want you to know that there is, like, even if you're like the best front-end developer, you can always feel free to like Google something. I mean, not that you shouldn't feel free, but like a lot of people think like they know everything and they want to do everything like the way they want to do it, like the way they know. But when Googling new things or something that you don't know, you always learn a lot of new things. So I'm just gonna, oh, hold on a second. I'm just gonna come here, right here. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. And I want to see this. I want to kind of see, you compiled. So okay, I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna paste it. Oh my god, not my Spotify. Adam and Spotify have really similar thumbnails, so that's why I keep on mistaking them. Let's try this. Alright, perfect. And now when we break it, it's something else. But, hold on a second. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna do, margin top 30 pixels. No, 15 pixels. And now when we break it, there we go. Awesome. See, it's already, whoa. What? Oh my god, look at our header. I mean our nav. Okay, so we're gonna have to fix that. So we're gonna search for nav. And we're gonna give it a z index of 150. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so let me just see something. I'm gonna remove the border because I can't really see. Wait, this is way down, so the border is right here. So how does this look? It actually doesn't look bad, you know. I'm gonna remove the background color of yellow. Yeah, that actually looks pretty nice, you know. Yeah. And it breaks. So we're gonna be doing 3 columns. So I'm just gonna copy this. No, 3 columns and 3 rows. 3. And boom, there we go. Now let's check it out. As you can see, it breaks for some reason. I don't know how to fix this, to be honest, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Then boom. Oh my god, that's amazing. That's why I always love Flexbox. I mean, look how easy it is. Wait, how many rows do you have? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm actually gonna do 2. Yeah, I think this looks way better. But yeah, so break. Hold on. Break, and then it's gonna. Oh my god, yeah, and you don't even have to use like any media queries or whatever. It's like really simple to do. Oh my god, I just love it. So I'm actually gonna try it and do max width. Wait, where is it? Max width of 250 pixels. So max width, and let me just see what the result is gonna be. And yeah, that sucks. Alright, we're gonna be, like, I mean, this is what I want to do max width. Oh, actually, no, 250 pixels. So basically, when you're creating a responsive website, you should always make sure that it's responsive to the point of 310 pixels. So let's go to 310 pixels and see how it looks. 10. So I think 310 is like one of the smallest phones on the world, where you can actually like view a browser, has a browser. So we're gonna be fixing that. Don't worry. Wait, hold on. Slide. No. Wait, no. Slide menu. It's gonna have C index of 160. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, but wait, dark overlay. So dark overlay is gonna have a Z index of 155. So now, oh yeah, exactly what we wanted. Alright, so now this is the reason why I wanted to do max width is 250 pixels. See, now when we go to 250, you can see that it doesn't get smaller, and it's not gonna display like the whole content. But as I said, we only have to worry about 310 till the point of 310 pixels. And so at 310 pixels, everything looks, oh, except this. So we're going to be fixing that probably in the next tutorial. Yeah, so till the point of that, everything looks amazing. Actually, no. I want to do it in this tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we can only focus on, the effect of the products. So let me just see where it breaks. It wait, oh, okay. It breaks till the point of 330. So we're going to do 340 to be sure. Actually, 350 pixels. We're going to make it break at 350 pixels. So let's go. Oh my god, what did I do? 350 pixels. Where is that? Toggle. Yeah, mini. Okay. So, media, all, and max width of, what was it, 450 pixels? Oh my god, I keep on forgetting. What is it? No, 350. Okay, 350 pixels. And then what we're gonna do is we're basically just gonna say logo link. Display block and float none. And then ham menu link display block float none. Let's try it out. Okay, I want it to be in the center, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna target header nav. Header nav. And we're gonna say text align center. There's such a big margin for some reason. Oh yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove. Actually, what's the margin padding? So the padding is there's no padding. So it's gonna have to be. Oh my god. Padding 5 pixels. So 5 pixels, 30 pixels, and basically the same here. Padding 5 pixels, 30 pixels. Yeah, that doesn't look right for some reason up here. So I'm gonna do 10 pixels, 5 pixels, and then for the bottom it's gonna be 5 pixels. Yeah, alright, that looks like a whole new world. So at 310, let's just check it out. 110 pixels. Everything looks actually pretty good. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this tutorial. Hope I'm very sorry that it's a very long tutorial. So in conclusion, what we did is we fixed the parallax effect. Well, actually the moto wrapper, how it gets styled, and it looks really cool. And another thing we did was we started to create the product section. So and for the next tutorial, what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to be recording it when I get back, so I have recorded one more video until I'm gone that is scheduled, and when I'm gone, I'm actually going to be looking through the comments. So when I get back, actually no, what did I say? When I'm gone, when I get back, I'm gonna look through the comments, and when I get back, I'm gonna record a video where we do the effect, the zoom in and zoom out effect when we hover over the image, and also I'm gonna read through the comments, and I'm gonna record the video whatever you say. So this is gonna be our product section, and I want you guys to suggest what else is gonna be on this website. So for now, I think it looks amazing. And wow, I'm sick. But yeah, wait. What is this? Oh my God, there's a dot in 2016. For some reason, there should never be a dot. Refresh, please. Oh, my internet is slow. And when I zoom in, this happens. So I think we're gonna have to fix that. So we're gonna be doing that in the next tutorial as well. But yeah, so comment down below what I should do next when I get back, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.